Sai Tech and welcome back to the channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the Dolby Atmos loudspeaker comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus the OnePlus 80 device. Yes friends, this is a question which was requested by a few of the subscribers asking me to compare the which Dolby Atmos loudspeaker will be good, and both phones they do have the same kind of Dolby Atmos only, and both phones they do have the really very good loudspeaker. Yes friends, I did like the both phones loudspeaker, and these are the settings we do get in the inside the options. As you can see, I did try to select the same kind of settings which is the music during this time of testing. As you can clearly see here, let's see which phone will be having the better kind of loudspeaker. I'll try to close the bottom one and I'll try to keep only the top one open, and I'll try to do this kind of test in both phones. Let's see friends which phone will be having the top one, how much kind of volume, and even the bottom one, which one will be the highest volume. That is what I'm going to check. And second thing, I'll try to concentrate on the vibration. So which phone has got slightly more vibrations in the higher volume. So let's get started without wasting any time. So I'm going to play the same audio file in both phones at not at same time, one by one, so which can actually track which one has got highest. So now let me try to start the audio from the Realme X1 Max. So our friends, the audio was close to 89 decibels for the 30 seconds of audio playing. 89 decibels was the highest, and it was maintaining average around close to 87 decibels and 88 decibels. That's perfectly good. And now let's test the capabilities of the OnePlus 80. So during this time of testing, I did find that both the values are kind of close to each other, but the Realme X1 Max has got slightly 1 decibel more, just a little bit, but not much. But I think most of the volume was slightly close to each other. So now let's test the maximum output of the loudspeaker on the bottom. So the bottom speaker has got about a highest of 107 and 108 as well, and it was maintaining average about close to 106 and 105. So let's see what will be the highest in the bottom speaker for the OnePlus 80. That's kind of really good friends. Even the OnePlus 80 has also got the same amount of volume. So now it's kind of tying the bottom speaker. Now let's check the top speakers. Top speaker, which phone will be having what kind of volume levels? So the top one was maintaining above 100 decibels all the time. That's kind of good thing. So let's see the OnePlus, how much the OnePlus can actually maintain. I think slightly the top speaker which is present in the Realme X1 Max is slightly having a better advantage. I think so, little bit. So just a little bit advantage for the Realme X1 Max because of the top speaker is slightly louder than the OnePlus 80 device. Yes, little bit. Only little bit, not much. But in terms of the vibrations, let me try to clearly explain you which phone has got what kind of vibrations. So the vibrations are slightly more on the Realme X1 Max device in this kind of area. This exactly the camera position. When you try to hold the phone in this way, you will definitely feel the vibrations around this particular part. So this is the conclusion of the video, friends. In terms of the loudspeaker volume, the bottom speakers are completely same and the top speaker is slightly better on the Realme X1 Max, and that is resulting in the slightly vibrations on the back side. So this is about the conclusion of this video, and in case if you want me to do any other comparison, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until stay tuned for more updates. Bye.